Here I have WIKO Y60, and today I'm going to show you how to enter meta mode on this device. So firstly, what you have to do is to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time like this. After the screen turns on and you can see the WIKO logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down like this. When you're in this kind of mode, factory mode, here you have to use volume keys to navigate to the last option, meta boot, and then select it with the menu key. And after that you will enter meta mode, and as you can see the small letters here saying meta mode, which is the proof that we are in this mode. So if you want to exit this mode, just hold down power key for about 10 seconds, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.